Come take a look at this new 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 3500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the LTZ Preferred Equipment Group seats, front full-feature leather-appointed bucket with Cowan heated seat cushions and seat backs, sunroof, power, GVWR, 11,500 pounds, 5216 kilograms, with single rear wheels, Victory Red, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, jet black dark ash, perforated leather appointed seat trim, seating, heated and cool ED perforated leather appointed front bucket, steering column, manual tilt wheel and telescoping, Duramax Plus package, tires, LT 265/70 R18E all-terrain, black wall, steering wheel, heated, leather wrapped. With audio and cruise controls and a Z71 package, off-road. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.